You've never seen anything like this in the world. We've got this from a craftsman out in the woods in Alabama. Everything is handmade by him. Beautifully done. Very creative. This one table here. Here's another table over here. Beautiful glass top, which opens up. And this is amazing stuff. If this was in a retail store, easily $600–800. I know, I was in the furniture business for over 25 years. Give you some more views of it. Let me lower the tops back down. You can get an idea how beautiful they are. Really nice handles. This is his other stuff, these beautiful handmade bird feeders. Everything made by hand, by him, no two alike. Amazing, amazing stuff we brought back from outside of Fort Payne, Alabama, out in the woods. Nobody has this stuff. Like I say, no two are alike. Also, we picked up some awesome hunting knives while we were there. I mean, you just can't find this stuff anywhere. We had to really dig deep to find this guy, and it wasn't that easy. But these tables are just simply amazing. I mean, the craftsmanship that went into it, not only made in the USA, but handmade by a local craftsman and artisan in Northeast Alabama. I'll do one more overview. I mean, look at this. Simply beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You cannot find this anywhere. We were so impressed. We spent a couple hours with him and his wife. Everything here is up for sale because we plan on going back and getting some dining sets, having to make some dining sets. He had some beautiful pieces up there. We could only take so much back with us. It's all up for sale. Just contact me. Everything is very, very affordable. In fact, there's even room for resale. I don't know why you would want to resell it, but it's just amazing.